Hey everyone, so I wanted to do an example of a problem from section 4.4 since you guys said that you were struggling with this. So this is about data subsetting. So all that means is um, if you have a set of data, a set is however many elements are in the data. Subsetting means that you're taking a subset of that data. So a subset is a smaller group of elements from the large group of elements that you have. So for this example, we are we're a craft beer lover taking a trip to Durango on business, and we want to be sure to stop at one of the local breweries while we're there. Using the data from this website, so I'm going to pull up the data from this website, subset the data to only show beers brewed in Durango, Colorado, and answer the following questions. So first thing I'm going to do is go to this website they gave us. So I'm looking for the beers and breweries data set. So I go here to beers and breweries, and I'm going to open up the Excel file. So this way I can manipulate the data. So you hit enable editing, and then that lets you make changes. So I need to get the list of breweries that are in Durango, Colorado. So you go to your spreadsheet, go to state, and if you hit select all, it'll uncheck all these. Just check Colorado. So this is going to show us all the breweries in Colorado, and then you can go to city, unselect all again, and just choose Durango. So now this is all the breweries that are in Durango, Colorado. So this is the set that I'm now looking at. So this is the subset of the list of all the breweries that we had on the entire spreadsheet when we started. So a subset is just a smaller set from the extremely large one that we started with. So let's see. Our question is, which craft beer has the highest alcohol by volume of the beers brewed in Durango? Give the name of the beer and the brewery, and then make sure the spelling and capitalization and all that matches. So we're looking for the ABV of all the beers. So go back to our spreadsheet. Column B shows the ABV. So you can look through this list and pick out the highest one. I believe we're looking for the highest. Yes, we're looking for highest. Or you can highlight column B, go to sort and filter, and sort either smallest to largest or largest to smallest. When it asks you if you want to expand the data, you want to expand the data. So that means it's going to sort this, and it's going to change all the other columns. So like this 0.068 goes with everything in this row, so it's going to change that to be in the same order. If you only continue with the current selection, all these other columns are going to stay the same, and these numbers will change. But then obviously you're not going to know which number goes with which beer. So expand the selection. Let's see, actually that did not work. So let's try this again. Well, you know what? Another way to do it is go here. These are going to be in order. Look for the highest one is 0.08, and then find 0.08. So we need the beer name and the brewery name. So our beer name is here. You can copy and paste. That way all the spelling and capitalization should match. And then go to the brewery name, which is here. Same thing, copy and paste. Submit answer, and answer is correct. The next step. So we subset the data into beers brewed in Durango, so that's the same. For the Ska Brewing Company, how many different beers in the IPA style do they make? So then we can go here and we can say we're only looking for the Ska Brewing Company, so only check that one. And we want to know how many beers in the IPA style they make. So beer style, you can either pick out the IPAs or you can just look. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 IPAs. So there are 3 different IPAs. Submit answer. So basically, you're just going to go through like that and answer the questions that it's asking you. But that's all that subsetting means, is that you're taking your data and you're looking at a smaller group within the large group of data that you're given. So go ahead and log in and try some problems, see if that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.